To avoid the plague this week, I took my motorcycle out stealth camping on the river just before a storm.
Here I come again now, baby, like a dog.
So the place that I rediscovered this week and camped at was an old rail bed that ran all the way up to the ghost town of Kellerman. It has tunnels and creek crossings. It's really an amazing place. I haven't been there in years, but I decided to go back down there and see what I could find. But I did camp and cook some keto food over the fire. I practiced some bushcraft and used a couple of new knots and techniques for setup, and then I hunkered down to weather out the incoming storm. If any of these things sound interesting to you, please click the link at the end of this video or in the description to see the extended version. Motorcycle camping is certainly not for everyone, but I wanted to show you what you might be missing. So if you're curious, take a few minutes, sit down with your favorite beverage, and enjoy the time that I spent in the woods. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you ride a motorcycle and you're interested in the woods or history or rail or ghost towns, any of the above, feel free to click on the link and you can watch the whole video.